As we mentioned earlier, 7 school districts, including Richmond Public Schools, are suing the governor over his executive order.
In addition, some parents have filed suit as well. Our Jake Burns breaks it down and asks legal experts how long it could be before there's a ruling. Jake?
Well, Bill and Candace, those involved in the lawsuit involving the parents say they expect some kind of ruling or movement from the Virginia Supreme Court as soon as this week. Our legal expert agrees with that. He says because of the real-world implications this order is having. To enter the Supreme Court of Virginia, you have to wear a mask during the pandemic. The justice's decision on whether parents can make that choice for their child while at school will have ripple effects across the Commonwealth.
So my kids went to school in masks today.
State Senator David Suderline encouraging parents to follow their own school district's policy. The Republican backs Youngkin's order and thinks it will hold up to scrutiny.
I suspect that they're going to do the right thing and come down on the side of the law, and which is also the side of the parents in this case, and say parents get to decide.
Teachers are tired.
The parents of Chesapeake school students, part of the lawsuit challenging the executive order, saying it directly conflicts with state law and safety practices for students and teachers.
It's just unbearable. And to think that they're putting their lives literally on the line for something as simple as wearing a mask, I just don't understand it.
Both Youngkin and the challengers to the order say state law backs up their case. Youngkin citing a 2013 law saying parents have the right to make decisions on their child's, quote, upbringing, education, and care. Challengers point to a state law passed last year that requires school districts to follow CDC guidance to the, quote, maximum extent practicable when opening during the pandemic.
You know, it's very clear that the governor is saying one thing and the General Assembly last year said something different, and people are confused about it.
Legal analyst Todd Stone says laws passed by the General Assembly take precedent over executive orders signed by any governor. He expects the Supreme Court will expedite this case.
No matter what their decision is, that's something that they're going to want to have out there publicly really quickly, so that people have some clarity about how they're going to behave.
Now, the cases don't line up anywhere exactly, but the governor has been sued for overstepping his boundaries in recent Virginia past. You'll remember in 2016, then Governor Terry McAuliffe tried to restore the voting rights to 200,000 felons. GOP lawmakers sued, saying he didn't have that authority, and the Virginia Supreme Court agreed with it. Now, we will, of course, keep you updated on what happens with the lawsuits involving the Youngkin's order and how it impacts you.